Trello Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Trello Affiliate Program, breaking down its features, earning potential, and who it's best suited for. If you're interested in signing up, you'll find the links in the description below. Trello is one of the most popular project management and collaboration tools, known for its intuitive interface, Kanban-style boards, and easy workflow automation. It's used by individuals, teams, and businesses for everything from task management to complex project tracking. With integrations for tools like Slack, Google Drive, Jira, and more, Trello is widely adopted by freelancers, entrepreneurs, and large enterprises alike. Now let's talk about the Trello Affiliate Program. Unlike traditional affiliate programs that offer cash commissions, Trello uses a referral-based reward system. Affiliates can earn free Trello Gold subscriptions when they successfully refer new users. Trello Gold provides premium features like larger file attachments, custom backgrounds, stickers, and enhanced automation, making it appealing for power users. This program is ideal for bloggers, YouTubers, productivity influencers, and tech educators who already have an audience interested in productivity tools and project management software. The affiliate process is simple. Share your referral link, and when someone signs up, you earn Trello Gold credits. However, because it doesn't offer monetary commissions, it may not be the best option for affiliates looking for direct cash earnings. That said, if you actively use and promote Trello, these gold rewards can add significant value to your workflow. Overall, the Trello Affiliate Program is best for loyal Trello users who want to maximize their experience with free premium features, rather than earn direct revenue. If you're looking for a cash-based affiliate model, you might need to explore alternative programs. That being said, Trello remains an excellent tool with a loyal user base, making referrals easy if your audience is into project management and team collaboration. If you're interested in joining, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights. Thanks for watching.